Hey folks, welcome to Puzzle Spoilers. Today we're taking a look at the Small Box Gravity by Karakuri. Karakuri puzzle boxes are handmade in Japan. This one's made by Osamu Kasho. We can see the maker's mark there on the back. The goal of this puzzle is to open it. There's a hidden secret compartment inside. Let me show you how to solve it. When we first look at this puzzle, it's obvious that there is an arrow here. It's an inlay, and we don't see any hairline seams anywhere. It does look like these two pieces could be separate. That's a darker piece of wood. The bottom is interesting because we can press it, and it seems like it's spring-loaded. We push it in and it comes right back out. The puzzle only requires one move to open. This arrow is a hint. The puzzle does need to be in this position with the arrow pointing down. And we're going to look at the back of the puzzle with the maker's mark there on the bottom right-hand side. We're going to hold the puzzle like this, and instead of pushing on the center of the box, we're just going to push on the edge, on this outer border portion. And when we push in slowly, there's some movement in this trap door, and it swings open. If we keep pressure on that frame part, we can actually pull out this piece entirely. And there we go, our puzzle is solved. With the trapdoor removed, let's take a closer look at the internals. This spring-loaded section is sort of a box within a box. The only connection that this interior box has with the exterior is a thin open channel right here, which opens up to the bottom of the box. On that lower portion of the outer box, there's another thin channel, and it's a little difficult to see, but it's beneath the channel right here where my finger is. That's where the trapdoor is able to fall. Once it falls into that channel, there's enough clearance and it allows the door to lean forward, and eventually we can pull out the trapdoor entirely. When we put the puzzle back together, we can put the trapdoor in at an angle. It goes through that first channel and into the channel on the bottom of the box. We can then push the trapdoor up, and then with some upward pressure remove it from that channel. Once we let go, the spring pushes the interior box forward and the puzzle's back to its unsolved position. The trapdoor can actually be put in 4 different ways: the normal way, the reverse way, and then upside down in both orientations as well. The proper way to reinstall the trapdoor, though, is in this orientation with the maker's mark on the bottom right, and that's because there are these grooves on the opposite side that align in a very specific way with the interior. Those grooves ensure that I can't simply solve the puzzle by pushing on the center. The grooves catch on some interior pieces and don't allow that trapdoor to drop down easily into that lower channel. That forces us to put pressure on this outer box portion. Therefore, no hard pressure is being put on the trapdoor itself. Then it can more easily drop down into that lower channel. It seems that the puzzle is called Gravity because that trapdoor has to fall into that lower channel in order to be solved, and we need gravity for that to happen. I'll put a link below to where you can buy this puzzle, and if you found the video interesting, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you on the next video.